Hello language learners and welcome back to the channel Learn English 5 times faster. And today we're going to answer the age-old question, is English a difficult language to learn? English, with its challenging grammar, vast vocabulary, and unique pronunciation, often gets the reputation of being a difficult language to learn. But fear not, today we will demystify all of these difficulties and show why it's actually a wonderful language to learn. One of the biggest complexities of English lies in its grammar. The usage of articles and verb tenses can be quite challenging for non-native speakers. For instance, the difference between affect and effect, or usage of the subjunctive mood, can be quite perplexing. So take the sentence, the effect of climate change can affect us all. Here, effect is a noun and affect is a verb. Now, understanding these nuances is vital for clear communication. English vocabulary is something that I personally love because it's a real melting pot of different languages. Because the English language has borrowed vocabulary from Latin, French, German, and many other languages. For example, the word entrepreneur comes from French, entrepreneur. Pronunciation can be a stumbling block for many learners. And also, English is notorious for its irregularities. Consider words like schedule, where CH is pronounced differently. Mastering these little nuances requires patience and time. English is extremely rich in idiomatic expressions, which can be a challenge for non-native speakers. Phrases like hit the nail on the head or piece of cake might baffle newcomers. And learning such idioms not only enhances your language skills, but it also gives you a cultural insight into the language. To inspire you, let's listen to some people who have overcome these challenges and have reached fluency in English. Their stories emphasize the importance of persistence, immersive learning, and embracing mistakes as something natural throughout the language learning journey.
Let me tell you that language is very important. I was born in a normal family, and I'm not good at schooling. Of course, I tried to study hard, but as a boy, my school was not that good at that time. So I failed looking for jobs, looking for joining university, joining good schools. But I never give up. But let me tell you other thing. Language is so important. It helped me a lot. Because of artificial intelligence, in the future, people say, I don't need to learn English or Russian or Japanese. Something a chip here can translate it quickly. No, it's not about language. It's about the culture.
Learning English, like any language, has its complexities, but it's also incredibly rewarding. With dedication and the right tools like the Speakly language learning app, for example, which you can download right away, the process of acquiring English becomes easy and unnoticeable. And remember, every mistake is a stepping stone towards fluency. So keep learning, keep practicing, and until the next time.